Hi everyone, this is Amulya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share you a simple and easy recipe, a ragi mug cake. Let's begin to make it. Take 2 spoons of ragi, flour, 2 tablespoons, and next 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and then 1 tablespoon of butter. I melted it down in microwave, and next 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, and then 1 tablespoon of jaggery. You can use sugar too, but I'm not interested in having with sugar, so I'm using 1 tablespoon of jaggery. If you need more sweetness, you can use 2 tablespoons of jaggery, and then you have to mix it very well. And then now 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and then 1 tablespoon of milk. One tablespoon of milk. Now mix it very well.
Place the cup in the microwave and set the timer to 1 minute 12 seconds, but showing as 1 minute. And then once the cake was ready, it was very delicious, very tasty, and it's very healthy too. The cake looks small because the cup is big, but I recommend this cake very much.